In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Google Meet the right way. Screen sharing is an incredibly useful feature, especially when you're working remotely or hosting virtual meetings. Whether it's for a presentation, a training session, or just a simple overview, knowing how to properly share your screen can significantly enhance your communication efficiency. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Meet by entering meetgoogle.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to either create a new meeting or join an existing one. This step is crucial as you need to be inside a meeting to access the screen sharing features. Now that you're in a meeting, look towards the bottom of the window. Here you'll find an option labeled Present Now. This is your go-to button for sharing your screen with the rest of the participants. Click on this button to see what options are available to you. After clicking Present Now, you'll be presented with a few different sharing options. This might sound a bit technical, but it's quite straightforward. You'll see choices like your entire screen, a window, and a tab. Understanding these options is key. If you opt for your entire screen, you're allowing participants to see everything displayed on your monitor. This is useful if you switch between applications frequently during your presentation. However, if you want to focus on a specific application or keep your desktop personal, you might prefer a window, which shares only the chosen application. Meanwhile, a tab is ideal for sharing content from a specific browser tab, especially if you're playing an embedded video or demonstrating a website. Once you've made your choice, click the Share button to commence the screen sharing. Pay attention here as you'll need to ensure your selection matches your presentation needs. This step is essential in giving a smooth and professional impression to your audience. Before you start presenting, here are a couple of important points to remember. First, always choose the right sharing option based on your presentation requirements. And second, if you're sharing audio from a tab or a window and want others to hear, make sure to check the Share Tab Audio option. This is often overlooked but very important for videos or any other audio content. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to share your screen effectively in Google Meet. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try it out before your actual meeting. Thanks for joining today's session, and happy presenting.